In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CRM with ClickUp 2026. If you want a simple, reliable way to track leads, manage accounts, and keep your team aligned, setting up a CRM in ClickUp is a great choice. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need to make, explain why each step matters, and share tips to keep your setup clean and scalable. Start by logging into your ClickUp account. When you land on your workspace, you'll see the main overview where your tasks, projects, and notifications live. This is your command center. Before we build anything, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace and team space, the place where you want your CRM to live. Consistency here prevents confusion later, especially if you collaborate with multiple teams. From the overview, head into your team space. You'll notice options to add or configure items. Look for the area that lets you create something new, usually a clearly highlighted button or plus icon. Click that, then choose Templates. Using templates is the fastest way to stand up a structured CRM without reinventing the wheel. Inside templates, use the search bar to type CRM. This narrows the library to options built for account and relationship management. Locate the account management or CRM template that matches your needs and click it to preview. You'll typically see sample lists, statuses, and fields tailored for tracking leads, accounts, and opportunities. When you're ready, click Use Template. This imports the structure directly into your workspace, giving you a solid foundation from day one. You'll be prompted to name the folder that will hold your CRM. Pick a name that is clear and easy to recognize across your organization, something like Sales CRM or Client Management. Good naming conventions make navigation effortless, especially as your workspace grows. Choose the correct location within your team space, then confirm by clicking Use Template again. ClickUp will create the folder, lists, and example tasks. Give it a moment to load. Larger templates can take a short while. Once the CRM folder appears, open it and get hands-on. Click Add Task to create your first record. This could be a new lead, an account, or an opportunity, depending on how you plan to organize your pipeline. Enter a descriptive task name that your team will immediately understand. If your template includes custom fields, such as industry, deal value, or stage, fill in what you know now and refine later. The key is to start building a consistent habit of capturing the same information for every record. You'll also see a few example tasks that came with the template. Rather than deleting them right away, open one and edit it to match your process. Rename it, adjust the stage or list it sits in, and customize the fields. This is an efficient way to shape the template into your team's language without starting from scratch. When you finish updating a task, click Save so your changes stick and your views stay accurate. Next, tailor your priorities. ClickUp's priority flags are a simple but powerful way to keep focus on the right work. Edit the priority settings on your tasks so they reflect urgency and importance. For hot leads or time-sensitive accounts, set the priority to high. This makes them stand out in list and board views, and it helps your team triage quickly during busy days. If you already use a service level target, align your priority level to those expectations so everyone understands what high really means. Now, move over to your contacts or accounts area within the CRM folder. This is where the heart of your relationship data lives. Review the columns and fields provided by the template and adjust labels to match your terminology. If a field isn't relevant, you can leave it unused for now. Keeping the interface clean encourages adoption. When you're ready to add someone new, create a record for a new client. Include the essential details your team needs to take action. Basic company or contact information, an owner responsible for follow-up, and any immediate notes about the context of the relationship. You can always enrich the record as the relationship develops. Open the contact you just created to see the full detail view. This is your hub for ongoing updates. Notes from discovery calls, attachments like proposals, and due dates for next steps. Assign the task to the right teammate. Set a due date for the next touch point, and confirm the correct priority. By keeping everything in one place, you reduce back and forth and make handoffs seamless if responsibilities shift. As you start using the CRM, keep your structure simple and predictable. Name lists clearly, avoid duplicating fields, and standardize how you title tasks so searches and filters return clean results. Encourage your team to save after edits and to keep priorities accurate. Small habits like these make reporting more reliable and keep your pipeline view honest. That's the complete flow. Log in. Go to your workspace overview. Open your team space. Launch templates. Pick the account management or CRM option. Click. Use template. Name your folder. Confirm use template again. Add or edit tasks. Save your changes. Set priorities. Mark important items as high. Organize and update your contacts. Create a new client record, and open that record to manage details and next steps. With this foundation in place, you've built a practical CRM inside ClickUp that your team can use immediately. From here, feel free to explore customizations within the space so it aligns even more closely with your process. You might refine stages, fine-tune fields, or adjust views to highlight what matters most to your team. Keep it focused, keep it clear, and your CRM will become a dependable daily guide for your customer work. That's a wrap. You've seen exactly how to create and start using a CRM in ClickUp, and it really is a quick setup that can streamline customer relationship management in a big way. If you found this helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more practical guides just like this. Happy ClickUpping!